Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
All right. So, hello guys, how are you? I'm audible. Yeah, hello. Please let me know like if I'm audible or not. I'll just check. Hello. Oh, screen is lagging. Okay. Let me share my screen. Can you able to see my screen? All right, fine. I think now I'm visible. Am I clear now? Just let me know in the chat box. Yeah, hello.
Hey Rishi, can you hear me? Hello.
Hi. You're not audible.
Can you hear me now? Hello. Hello, hello, mic testing 1, 2, 3. Can anyone in the chat hear me?
Okay, I'm lagging. Just give me a minute. Hi, bro. Can you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I don't know why I couldn't able to hear you.
I also don't know I'm speaking.
Hello. I think now we are audible. Hello. Okay. I'm audible.
Yeah,
Yeah. Now I can able to hear you.
what was the issue?
I don't know. I don't know. What do you say about gold today? Gold. I'm actually in bullish. Look at this beautiful move. And also there was a manipulation. I'll just show you. Wait. Yeah, this one. This is the one I saw in live today. If someone knows PO3, power of 3, this is actually a best entry. Yeah, hi Shishir. Look at this. Like after taking out this low, okay, after very good consolidation, the market immediately reversed. So this is actually a very good entry if someone missed. And again, we can able to see a very good strong displacement on the high side. And what is happening now? Again, the market fell down and then it is balanced the fair value gap, and it is actually quite bullish. If someone wants to go for a trade, we can actually buy here. This is actually a good one, and we can expect your target till this level. Again, if it breaks this, we can keep this as your target. So this is my view on gold. I think I'm also going to take a trade in my personal account. The only problem is we are still having imbalances over here. So if the momentum is not that good, the market may fail and then it will fill these fair value gaps and then again it may bounce back. But currently I'm bullish. Am I clear or I'm still lagging? Please anyone answer in the chat box. Okay. I don't know what's the issue. My internet is actually it's actually good. Let me check again. Yeah, my internet is pretty good. I don't know what's the issue. Small lag but manageable. Sound is clear but not video. Mm. No, like my computer is actually fast. Just give me a minute. Like, let me just check my camera. Just give me a minute. Am I clear now, guys? Wait, let me also check the live. Is it still lagging or is it good? Okay. Okay, I'll just shift to my webcam. Let's see how this works. Is this video still lagging? No lag. Okay, that's good. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll be back. 1 minute. All right. Okay. So yeah. So as per our analysis, like gold is actually heading to our first target, and yeah, I think it is going to hit this one. And if the momentum still continues, we can expect till this as our next target. Let's see how it goes. Your bias. I'm actually bullish in gold. I think I explained this one, but I'll explain again. Like I actually saw this particular manipulation in live. Okay, this is a perfect example for PO3. If someone is trading power of 3 or AMD, like you can consider this one. And yeah, look at this. Like the market is actually consolidating for a very long time, and you can able to see this low is actually protected here. This is also one more confirmation. The market broke this consolidation on the downside, but it haven't touched this particular low. So this is a very good confirmation, and this will act as a very good support level. So what happened is the market consolidated for a long time, and after taking out this low, we can able to see a very strong reversal. And also you can say see 1 hour time frame chart. Look at this. So the price is clearly bullish. The market, like, it is placed from after taking out this low, and you can able to see the market is continuously making higher rise, and also very good consolidation. And this is where the 1 minute manipulation happened. So in 1 hour also it is clearly bullish. So I'm expecting gold to touch this level now. And as I said, I also suggested people to take trades around this level, and it is actually going good now. And this is my first target, and this is my second level target. Let's see. My first target is actually achieved. Let's see. So I just want the price to go upside, and but we need very strong momentum to hit this level. So this level will act as a resistance, as well as this level might act as a resistance, because these two are order blocks. You can either consider this as an order block, a bearish order block, or you can consider this series of candles. This particular low is also an order block. So this is my view on gold as of now. If someone wants to ask a question, you can just ask. And on the next live, like, I'm planning to review your trades also. Let me just first organize it properly. Then I might send drive link or something in the chat. You can upload your charts there, so that I'll make sure to review all your trades, and I'll share my insights on your trades. New FEG formed in two and up, maybe. Yeah, yeah. Still, I'm bullish. Like, I'm expecting the price to reach this level. This is my overall target. But let's see. Watching from Philippines. Yeah, welcome. If someone is having any doubts, you can just ask in the chat box. Or if you want me to explain any concepts, you can ask that too. If I know the concept, I'll explain it now. What would you like to see go to decision? I'm actually bullish farming. I told that the market actually, like, after this very good momentum, the market filled this parabolic up, and then again it started moving on the high side, and the market took out this particular high. So I told, if someone wants to enter, you can enter here, and you can keep this. Like, let's see how the market reacts to this level. But our overall target is this level. Either you can keep this as your first target, and this as a second target. Just turned in. Welcome, welcome, bro. Now the price is actually consolidating a lot. Rishi, did you find the link? Which link? Bro, funded account log per trade cover risk curriculum. It actually depends on your ability to buy accounts. To be honest, like if you can able to afford more accounts, if you can able to risk more, then you can go with 1% or 1.5% maximum per risk. But if you want to go in a safer way, you can just go with 0.25 or 0.5% risk. That would be good. Don't risk more than 1.5%. That is not good. Maximum you can risk like 1.5%. Yeah, that will be good. And also check the profile the with the risk parameters, because some profiles allows only 1% risk per trade. So if that's the case, go with 0.75%, because that will be spread. So keeps if you're trading $100,000 account, or just keep $750 as your risk. I shared you on your answer. Okay, I'll check, Shishir. Let me know your ID, please. I'll check. Best CFD platforms for the buy. I can't recommend. I can't recommend platforms because there's a funding website. I can't recommend other platforms. You can just search it. You can just search in YouTube or Google. You can find it easily. Probably full time trader. Full time trader means like I do trade, but I also run businesses and I'm also building some other businesses. So kind of full time. Okay, okay, okay. I'll check Shishir. I'll check today. Yeah, the momentum is still good. Let's see. Full time, no. I don't watch chart full time. Either I'll go with London session or sometimes New York session. That's it. And also, like if someone wants to go for it, like if you're working professional and don't have time to trade London or New York session, you can go with Asian session opening. It is actually pretty good. The liquidity is actually good. If someone is in India, like you have to wake up by 4:30 a.m. And the moment is actually good. Any other question, guys? From the last pin. No, I don't share my pin. Sorry. Bro, how learn ICT in easy way? See, I'll just share you some tips. ICT is actually kind of modified retail concepts, to be honest. When it comes to the technical part, it is kind of modified retail concepts. But the most important part in ICT is time. So if you want to go for ICT, if you want to learn ICT, just learn the time-based models first. Like learn about the end dog and end walk part, and learn about the openings, like client the day openings, and learn about the session timings. Uh, in simple way, the market is all about liquidity. In simple, the market is all about liquidity. Every concepts, every retail concepts or ICT concepts or SMC concepts or any other concepts is built like around this liquidity. So you have to find where liquidity exists in market. If you know the liquidity part, you can use any concepts to trade. So if you want to go for ICT, first learn time based models, and then if you want, you can learn the technical parts. You can know about the PD arrays. You can learn some PD arrays, like you can use order blocks or fair value caps or inversion fair value caps. You don't need to master all the PD arrays. Just one PD is more than enough. Either you can master IFEG, that is the most famous part, or inversion fair value cap. Did you take this study? Yeah, like I told now, like I'm going to enter in my personal account. So it is running, but I just used zero point 0.3 lots. Shipper just lay लात में PNL percentage that how much that thing. See, when like I'll just share one of my experience in trading. I started losing money when I see others P&L. When I see someone is making $3,000 or $2,000 or in Indian currency like 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs per trade, I actually forced myself to take trades. That they actually eventually ended up in huge losses. So what I did is, like, whenever I see someone's P&L without any value, I'll just if I'm seeing it in Insta, I'll just click that particular reel and then I click not interested. Um, I look for trades only if someone is sharing values. If someone is showing just P&L, just profits, no, I won't look after it. So percentage, like if I'm making, like for example, let's say if I made 2%, that is not actual motivation, to be honest. Did he close partials or letting from? As I told now, like my actual target is this level. This is my actual target. And I also wanted to share one more thing. Like I also make losses. I also blow accounts. Okay, don't believe the profits alone. Okay, it is not real. We do make losses too. We do blow accounts. Rishi, what is your entry? This is my actual entry around this level. This is where I suggested people to take trades when the live started. And the price is actually heading to our target. And we are having one more hurdle around this part. And if the momentum still continues, we can easily reach this level. If someone is in trade like around this level or this level, just keep your trades, just keep your entry price as break even. Sorry, keep your stop loss as break even. Who is your inspiration trading? Umar Ashraf, the founder of TradeZilla. Is anyone in trade? On Wednesday, like I'll just take a new initiative. I'll try to analyze your trades also, but let me first organize the thing. I might share some links in the live during on Wednesday. Just upload your trades, your entry points or exit, or if you do have any doubts, you can just ask there. I'll review your trades in live. Yeah, one more hurdle is also breached now. Now it can easily hit this level. Let's see. I'm in the trade at 1 4 5 5. 4 5 5. Yeah, it's a solid one. Good one, Abhishek. Any other one? Any other one in rates? In gold or any other currency? Or are you letting it hit full TP at this point? Yeah, I'm just going to hold till this level. And I moved my SL to break even. So that's fine. NQ. NQ, like, are you having any doubts or you in trade in NQ? I'm in the trade my entries, yeah. Yeah, okay, okay. Good, Abhishek. Okay, this feels a good rejection. Let's see how this candle closes. What was the reason behind your entry besides fair value gap? Like as I told now, like from this level itself, like I'm actually bullish in the markets. Look at this. I haven't checked these moves and all, but when I was checking, the market is actually consolidating, and this particular consolidation is actually pretty good. So after this consolidation, the market took out this relative equal lows, and the market again took support from the same level, and even you can able to see the market haven't touched this particular support, which will act as a high resistance liquidity run. And what is happening, like after taking out this low, the market started making higher rise with good momentum, and again you can able to see a very good moment consolidation. And again the market broke out this particular consolidation, and what happened after a very strong displacement move, the market came down and then it filled this fair value gap. And once the market after filling this fair value gap, you can able to see strong moves on the higher side, right? So I just waited for the market to take out this particular high, and when the market retraces back, like I just entered. This is where my entry. And I also suggested this entry in live too. When the live started, I just suggested if someone wants to enter, you can enter here, and it is actually heading to our targets. So this is my reason behind this trade. And also, if you want, you can refer higher time frame analysis too. Just check out the 50 minutes time frame. It is clearly bullish. Even in 1 hour time frame, it is clearly bullish. It is making high rise. Every week, I'll come live on Monday and Wednesday at 5:30 p.m. Indian timing. Okay, again the market took support, so still the momentum continues. Let's see. Just look at this; it is actually pretty good. And what concepts you guys use to trade, guy? ICT or SMC or retail concepts or indicator based strategy? What concepts you guys do use to trade? Same price action. That's good. SMC, good. Always keep in mind, like there is no holy grail strategy and all. Okay, if you think ICT will make you profitable, no. If you think retail concepts or any other algos make you profitable, no. It's all about like how the market behaves. You have to understand the market condition. Market condition is the most important part, and you have to align the market condition with liquidity and with proper risk management. This is the main key to be profitable in trading. Other than that, like I don't believe in concepts, to be honest, even though I use ICT concepts. But there are many profitable traders that are those who are still using like EMA crossover or RSI or Dawn chain or Bollinger Bands. So always keep your technical concepts very simple. Just focus on your psychology part. Just focus on the discipline. That is the most hardest part in trading. My concepts are very different. Good. No indicator, only trailing. That's good. See, I can easily compare this particular move, right, with a simple retail concepts, that is flag and pole. You can consider this as a pole, and this particular consolidation is a flag. And look at the breakout. The breakout happened here, and look at the move. This is a very good example for flag and pole. My TP missed by half a dollar. What's a TP, Abhishek? This one. Just trail your stop loss. Like don't need to hold till this level. If you want, you can, but always trail your stop loss to protect your profit. It is actually rejecting this level. We might see a downfall, and the market may balance its fair value gap again, and then it may bounce back again. So there are chances. Trail your stop loss. 4578. Oh, uh, okay. It's too close. It's too close. Okay, this seems a very good reversal. It's better we can trail your stop loss and then book your profits. Again, there are chances that the market may, after this very good move, like the market may come down and then it may balance this fair value gap again, or it may fill this fair value gap too. There are chances. So what I'm expecting is, like, I'll be expecting some kind of manipulation in the lows. So these are the manipulation points. The market may either take this low and then reverse completely, or the market may take this low too. We can't predict that the market will exactly touch this point, but we can expect. If it is trying to reverse, let's see if the momentum continues. I'll just remove this line. Okay, I just booked some more profits and I'm just going to trail my trades. Okay, this candle is actually looking good. Let's see. If the market retraces and then again if it starts moving on the higher side, we can expect these levels again. But let's see. The market should hold that particular green candle, but we have to wait. Okay, it is not holding. If someone entered late now, you can just trail your stop loss to break even. That will be good. Again, if the market retraces and then again if it starts moving on the high side, you can enter your trade again. But as of now, like don't lose your profits and all. If someone wants to hold with the risk, you can just hold with your stop loss very tight, or you can just keep a stop loss at break even. No loss, no profit. That will be good. Is someone holding the trade now? Still holding anyone? Okay, again it is booming up. Let's see. Now I just want this particular fair value gap to invalidate on the higher side. Means like the market should close above this fair value gap, and then we can expect a good move on the higher side to reach our next target. Okay, now only I can able to see your messages, guys. Just give me a minute. Is there possible re-entry at that FEG? No, again entering at highs, I won't suggest now. If you want, you can enter here also, but it will be very risky because we are still having imbalances that is not filled yet, like this one or this one. So if you are entering here, keeping this low as a stop loss is not a perfect one. So I would suggest not to enter again uh, with high, like this will be quite risky. But still, if you want to risk now, you can enter, but always manage your risk properly. If the momentum still continues, you can't expect this low to hit. But if it is kind of moving up and high and all, like the market can easily hit these lows. So entering at this IFEG is not recommendable. Those are still holding the trade. You can just trail your stop loss. See, look at this after taking out this particular FEG. Again, it is moving on the downside. Always keep in mind, market always try to balance the imbalances. Okay, and also it depends on the momentum. If the momentum is not that good, the market may balance the FEGs immediately, and if the momentum still continues, we can expect somewhat later. But the market always balance the FEGs. Always keep this in mind. So entering at highs or lows is always is not recommendable. If you want to enter at highs or lows, go with very minimal lots. That will help you with proper risk management. Okay, it is good now. Let's see. Wow. Market is testing the patient, you have guts to hold it. See, if it is testing a patient, just try to reduce your risk. If like if you usually, let's say you're using one standard lot or two standard lots to trade. In that case, like if it is like the trades, the small fluctuations, if it is bothering you a lot, just go with very minimal lots. Like go with point 0.5 or 0.75. That will help your psychology. See, if you're trading in a demo coin, let's say you're trading a demo coin, in that case, these small fluctuations, these small movements won't bother you a lot, because you know that that particular money is not a real money, and that won't panic you in any way. So, in simple, like always risk the amount which you're about to lose. If you're ready to lose a certain amount, just risk that amount alone. If you're ready to lose $500 or $300 or $200 or $100, just risk that particular amount. So in that case, you can actually master psychology. Look at this move, this particular candle. This is why I'm repeating, like never enter at highs or lows. If you're in trade in the lows, you can just hold this, and this particular move won't bother you a lot. But again, entering at highs, look at this particular candle. If it is rejecting to this fair value gap, it will easily hit your stop loss. Like if you're entering here, and if you kept your stop loss around this level, it will easily hit your losses. Now it is not going to hold your trades. It's better book some profits, or you can close your trades at break even, and don't enter at highs. Just wait for some kind of retracements to happen, then you can enter the discounted level to go for buys. Never enter at highs, I repeat. And it almost hit a target, like the market took at this particular level, and then now it is reversing. So it's better, like it's not good to hold your trades now. All right. Yeah, we had a good live today. I hope it adds value to you all. Like, I'll end the stream now. If anyone having doubt, just let me know. Good evening. All right, guys. I'll end the live now. I hope you had a good trade. And if someone wants to enter again, just wait for some kind of discounted price. Just wait for retracement. Always the market will give you a discounted price. All you have to do is you have to wait. Just wait for a discounted price and then you can enter again. Okay. So see you all. Have a good day. Have a great week. Thank you.